Hey, are you wasting your money on Shopify? Then stop right now. They're fooling you by charging a huge amount every month for a subscription. What if I told you the best free Shopify alternative is already available? With it, you can create online store and list unlimited products to sell with 0% fees. You can easily create high-converting sales funnels based on proven templates. You can create email campaigns and send unlimited emails to your subscribers. You can create online course or membership site and manage unlimited students. You can build your own affiliate team who will boost your sales on autopilot. Introducing System.io, the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform, trusted by over 100,000 entrepreneurs. The best part is that you can use everything absolutely free for a lifetime. Does any other platform on this planet offer the same benefits? Of course not. If you're not willing to be a fool, move your business to System.io today. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account now. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free too.